We'll give them a tote bag and then they get the $12 worth of produce. We also have flowers. There's some honey for some lucky individuals, and it's all local produce as well.
And so you get like $12 worth of stuff and then just pick up what you want. So I know I'm getting potatoes and watermelon. I think I might also get popcorn. I think it's nice because it's like a way to like get the resources if you couldn't beforehand, or just like it's nice to know that there's like healthier choices for you. Some people just come to just like try something new or like learn how to cook something. So there's a lot of different reasons why someone might come.
I got some fresh flowers. Me and my roommate decided like when we were moving in that we always wanted to have flowers in our room to like liven the space up.
This is great. I mean, they have fresh produce for a pretty great price, and it's not a far walk at all. If I wanted something fresh, I'd have to walk 20 minutes, where this is, I mean, I live right over there. It's a nice 5-minute walk.